Welcome back to my channel. Today I have another beautiful look for you guys. I know I sound a little raspy. I'm still getting over sickness. I've had strep. Before that I had a cold. So yes, we're finally getting back to normal. And I definitely wanted to get this video out for you. We're using the Physicians Formula Nude Butter Eyeshadows palette in Sultry Nights. As always, we're always going to prime our eyes. And I put some powder there under the eye to catch fallout because these shadows are powdery. They are actually very powdery. We want to pick up that nice beautiful brown. It's just a nice transition shade. Any transition shade that's close to your skin tone that's matte will definitely work for this. And I sped this part up because we're literally just placing that shade. And we just apply that super massively, so I sped that up. And we're going to take the beautiful plum shade. Now I wanted to show the kickback in the pan there. And we're going to take that beautiful plum shade and start working that in our outer corner. Now, we're going to place this with a pencil brush so we have lots of control, and it's really going to help pack that shade on. And these shades honestly didn't look that promising when I swatched them. But after applying them to the eye, they apply so much differently to the eye, and I highly recommend this palette now. I was skeptical when I swatched them, but now I know it's really good quality. So basically, with this plum shade, we're applying it in the outer corner, like in our outer V, and then we're going to slowly bring that into the crease area as well. And next, we're taking, in my opinion, the most beautiful shade in the palette. It's just this beautiful silvery shade. The shade reminds me of like a white gold kind of shade. It's so beautiful. But let me tell you, the shade is so ridiculously hard to get to work. So you see me applying it with a shader brush, then trying to use it. Now you can use these wet or dry. And then I try to use it with setting spray, and then I result to using the sponge tip. I wanted to show you all the ways that I actually tried to use the shadow on the lid, and then how I got the most pigment out of it, which was by using the sponge tip applicator. And we're going to take that shimmery champagne shade and bob it in the inner corner. It's a fairly simple look, just a few color placements, and of course you want to go back and blend all those shades together. And we're going to be picking up more plum and just placing more of that in the outer corner. Just keep deepening it up. That's the best process. Start slow and build up. And you just keep blending and blending and blending. Now we're going to take the lightest shade in the palette and use that for our brow bone highlight. And I'm going to apply that on the brow bone and blend that down. And I always take my transition or crease brush and blend it with the brow bone as well, and just warm things back up again. Reapplying more shade there. This palette is so pretty. And we're going to wipe away our fallout, and we're going to bring that beautiful plum shade down on the lower lash line. I cannot wait to film more looks using this eyeshadow palette. It's so beautiful. And we're going to apply a thin strip of liquid eyeliner to our upper lash line. This look really makes your green eyes pop. Look at that. So we're going to tight line with our Milani Stay Put eyeliner, top and bottom water lines. We're going to curl our eyelashes with the Revlon eyelash curler, and the mascara I'm using is Covergirl Super Sizer Mascara. I'm really loving this mascara. And for the lips, we're using LaColors Pout Matte Lip Gloss in Scrumptious, I believe is the shade. These lippies are beautiful. They're a little bit hard to work with, a little bit sticky, because they're a lip gloss, not a matte lipstick. and I have a review on them. I'll try to remember to link it below. We set our makeup with LaColors setting spray. I added a rhinestone to the middle of the lip, and that's our finished look, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully you will try the look out for yourself. Let me know if you have this palette and plan on trying the look out. Thank you always again for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, ring the bell, and comment if you haven't already. Don't forget to check the description box for additional links and a product list, as well as other information. Thank you always for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.